This is a brief tutorial on using Google's advanced image search. You can see I am at the direct link of the advanced image search from Google, and there's really two sections here that you can use to manipulate your results. The top section is find images with, and this allows me to add criteria for what the return will look like in terms of the searched images. I'm going to choose nature, or just type in nature here briefly to make it simple. But there are additional filters that I can add in using text and words to get a more customized result. There's also the narrowing category, which means I can narrow my results by any of these categories. I found image size and color range to be pretty useful in the past, but I'll let you explore those on your own because the two pieces I'm most interested in sharing about today are usage rights and safe search. Safe search, of course, is the setting that will allow me to limit or restrict as best possible any explicit material. And the default usually is moderate, but if you take this slide and pull it all the way to the right, it will select strict, and strict filtering will keep a lot of the junk out of my results. And then usage rights is kind of the point of this blog post where I'm talking about the idea that when you filter your images, there are options available to you from Google, not just the default, which is not filtered by license, which will return any results out on the web. But as I come down this list, my rights to use and edit the image become progressively more liberal, I guess, because this final option, I have a lot of rights to change and edit, and I can even use the image commercially. So if I choose that and I choose advanced search, you'll see that my search results come up. And I get a lot of images here, which are wonderful. As I scroll down, you'll see there's a number of images for me to select from. But at the top, I want to point out that this bar here comes up and it says labeled for commercial reuse with modification. That's an indicator that lets me know that these images are set to this filtering level and that I can use them. And hopefully this will be a successful task and something you find valuable in your classroom. Thanks for tuning in and have a good one.